Hi. Good morning. Durga Prasad is only there. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Yeah. Bagunara. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Bagunara, everyone manchi at home. Yeah, good morning. Bagunara, everyone manchi at home. Yeah, very good. बहुत बढ़िया, very good. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? What's going on? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? I am also good, directly proportional. If students are Manchi, teacher will be also Manchi, directly proportional. No problem. Yeah, okay. So I'm asking what's going on at home, chilling or studying? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? एक बार बता दो. Chilling with studying. Sir, we are not normal people, sir. We are ultra pro legend. So we also chill, sir. We also chill. But we are not chilling with movies. We are not chilling with games. We are not chilling with outing. We are chilling, but we are chilling with studying. Yeah, okay, no problem. That's why we are not normal people. Who we are ultra pro legends. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? Shall we start? Ultra pro legends? Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? Yeah, very good. I think in last class we were talking about problems based on average velocity or average speed. There I told you how to find average speed, how to find average velocity. Then at the end I told you two favorite part of NTA. That is two favorite part of NEET. Can you tell me what will be average speed for half distance? If someone says half distance with V1, other half distance with speed V2, what will be V average? Directly you can remember half distance, what is V average? Half distance, what is V average? एक बार बता दो 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. No need to do calculation there. Directly you can get. If half distance anywhere mentioned in the question appear, no need to do the calculation, no need to divide into two parts. Directly you can do 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Yeah. And this year also in the NEET the question came was from there only. They gave v1, they gave v2, and they asked v average. Not for the first time. If you see previous questions, whenever question came from average velocity, they always use that this result they asked 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Acha, half time, what will be average? If someone give you half time, what will be average? v1 plus 2 by 2. Yeah, half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. Half time, no need to do calculation. No need to assume time t, divide into two parts, t by 2. Directly, these are the two important situation, favorite situation, which are asked, you can do very easily. So half distance, 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. So these are the things that we studied in the last class. Yeah. Now we will move further. And I think we did so many questions. Achha, did we talk questions like this? Half distance with V1, other half distance, half time with V2, other half time with V3. Did we talk like that? इस तरह क्वेश्चन किया क्या? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. That means we have completed this part. That means this part IPO in D. Now today we will move further. We will talk about some more types of numericals. You can write. Yeah, okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Now we'll talk about some more numericals which are asked from here. Today also our target is to talk about some types of numericals which are asked from here. You can write problems based on average speed completed. Now new type of question we will talk. You can write problems based on calculus. Problems based on calculus. In bracket instantaneous values. Problems based on calculus in bracket instantaneous values. Calculus means what we will use? Problem based on calculus means what we are going to use? Problems based on calculus means what we are going to use? Yeah, we are going to use differentiation and integration. Some questions we will do with differentiation, some question we will do with integration also. So both we are going to use today. Problems based on calculus means we will get use of differentiation and integration, which we studied previously. Previously 6 days we studied differentiation, integration. Those are going to be used. Yeah, okay, no problem. And here we will talk about instantaneous values, means instantaneous velocity, instantaneous acceleration. These are the two things that we will talk. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. So just see here, just see for 2 minutes, then we will start with numerical. Just see here. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. So I told you in the last class also, we have two types of velocity. If someone asks you average velocity you know delta S by delta T, or you can say delta X by delta T also, no problem. Yeah, average velocity delta X by delta T or delta S by delta T. Or if anyone asks you find the velocity at a particular instant, someone asks find the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds, that is our instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity will be calculated with the help of differentiation. Today our target will be this. Today our target will be this. How to do question based on instantaneous velocity. So average velocity delta S by delta T, instantaneous velocity with the help of differentiation. I told you instantaneous value is calculated only by one method, that is differentiation. Okay, no problem. This is a story of velocity. Sometimes questions are also asked for acceleration. So if anyone asks you average acceleration, again same process you have to do. Average acceleration means delta V by delta T. No problem, no problem. Yeah, average acceleration means delta V by delta T. Instantaneous acceleration, if they ask you find acceleration at a particular instant, find acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds, find acceleration at t equal to 3 seconds, then acceleration will be written as, can you tell me instantaneous acceleration will be how much? Instantaneous acceleration will be how much? एक बार बता दो. Average acceleration delta v by delta t. Yeah, instantaneous acceleration will be dv by dt, or sometimes instantaneous acceleration is also written as v dv by ds. These are the two values of instantaneous acceleration, dv by dt, or sometimes we also write instantaneous acceleration as v dv by ds. V dv by ds. Yeah, always remember when velocity will here velocity will depend on time. If your velocity is given in the terms of time, acceleration you will write as dv by dt. If your velocity is given in the terms of s, then you'll write acceleration as v dv by ds. Is it okay? First you can write this, then we will start with numerical. Is it okay? Once you write, you can say done sir. We will start from here. Done sir. Very good. Yeah. Done sir. Yeah, everyone is ready, so that's why everyone is saying done sir. Okay, no problem. You tell me, if I give you displacement, if you differentiate displacement, what will come? If I give you displacement or position, if you differentiate displacement, what will come? Come on, tell me. If you differentiate displacement, what will come? Batao, if this displacement is given, if you differentiate displacement, what will come? Jaldi batao, time is not there. If you differentiate displacement, what will come? Velocity will come. That is the meaning of instantaneous. These formulas are not important. Important is your brain. In your brain it should be there. So if displacement is given, if you differentiate displacement, velocity will come. If displacement is given, someone asks me velocity, I'll differentiate displacement, velocity will come. Achha, if you differentiate velocity, then then acceleration will come. Yeah. So differentiation of displacement will give you velocity. Differentiation of velocity will give you acceleration. Achha, tell me, if you differentiate displacement 2 times, then which quantity will come? If you differentiate displacement 2 times, then which quantity will come? 2 times differentiation. Acceleration, because one time you will differentiate, velocity will come. Next time when you differentiate velocity, acceleration will come. Very good, very good. So everyone has got the idea. Now we will start with some numericals from here. You write the first question. Come on, you can write. You write, a particle is moving along x-axis, we'll start with numerical. A particle is moving along x-axis such that its position varies with time. A particle is moving along x-axis such that its position varies with time as x equal to t square plus 2t plus 4. A particle is moving along x-axis such that its position varies with time as x equal to t square plus 2t plus 4. Find. You have to tell me velocity of the particle at t equal to 2 seconds. You can see particular instant I am asking. Nowhere they will say find instantaneous velocity, find instantaneous acceleration. From the question you have to identify. I am asking find velocity, first question, velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. Second question, acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. These are the two questions which I have given to you. Kaushik has given answer, Sunita has given, Preeti has given, Sharanya, Kavita, Ruchi, Durga Prasad, Om Prakash, Kavita. Yeah, I think everyone has got the answer. Simple question. Acha, tell me how you got to know that they are asking you instantaneous velocity. All of you have differentiated. Now, how you got to know that we have to calculate instantaneous velocity and instantaneous acceleration? From where you got the idea? Yeah, velocity will come 6 meter per second, acceleration will come 2 meter per second. From where you got the idea? From where you got the idea that you have to calculate particulars? This is what I told you in the last class also. Are dekho wahan pe, it is written find velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. I don't want at 3 seconds. I don't want at 4 seconds. I want exactly at t equal to. Particular time means instantaneous. Instantaneous means differentiation. So I simply say, sir, you want velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. Sir, x is given, that means you want instantaneous velocity. I know, sir, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity means, sir, dx by dt. So once we will differentiate this, x, this will give you 2t plus 2. Okay, no problem. 2t plus 2. No problem. This is the value of velocity. No problem. Yeah. Now, sir, they are not asking you this velocity, sir. They are asking us velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. So here you will put t equal to 2. Once you put t equal to 2, this will become 2 into 2 plus 2. That will give you 6 meter per second. This is the value of velocity that we are getting. No problem. Easy situation. Someone asked me acceleration. Sir, acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds means they're asking us particular acceleration. Particular acceleration means acceleration we know, sir. Acceleration, particular instant means instantaneous acceleration. That is a dv by dt. Now v you have already calculated. Don't differentiate this. You have to differentiate the function of velocity. Function of velocity is, sir, already we differentiated x, so we got velocity 2t plus 2. Now again I will differentiate velocity to get acceleration. So once you differentiate this, 2, t differentiation will be 1 and 2 differentiation will be 0. So this will give us 2 meter per second square, and this acceleration is now constant. Whatever the time, put t equal to 2 seconds also, 4 seconds also, 5 seconds also, same acceleration will come. Is it okay? Is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? Process you understood? हाँ, okay, no problem, yeah, no problem, yeah, हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ. अच्छा, here one more question is given in NCERT. You can try that question also, come on. Third one. You have to tell me average velocity from t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. Find the average velocity from t equal to 0 to 2 equal to 2 seconds. How you will calculate average here? Here finding instantaneous is more easy. Average you have to do the calculation. How you will calculate average? How you will calculate average velocity? ध्यान दो those who are feeling problem in average velocity, ध्यान देना. Same question in NCERT, both, no need of integration, directly you can calculate. एक बार देख लो यहाँ पे. People are giving different answer. That's why I'm not getting confidence whether you are able to do or not. एक बार देखो यहाँ पे. Whenever equation is given and anyone asks you average velocity, you have to follow the process. Sir, average velocity means delta x by delta t. Delta x by delta t means x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1. x2 means, ध्यान दो यहाँ पे, people are giving answer, ध्यान दो यहाँ पे, but answer may be correct, may be wrong, ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. They are asking you average velocity now, delta x by delta t. Delta x means what? x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1. What is x2? What is x2? x2 means value of x when time is t2. ध्यान दो एक बार फिर से. x2 means what? x2 means that value of x when time is t2. And what is t2? t2 is 2 seconds. t2 is 2 seconds. So here you put the value of x here. x2 means when time is final. x1 means when time is initial. That is the meaning of x2 minus x1. x2 means value of x when time is 2 seconds. So in equation put t equal to 2 seconds. Once you put t equal to 2 seconds, it will become x2. You have to calculate. x2 will become here 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. x1 means when time is 0. Put t equal to 0 here. Put t equal to 0 here. Once you put t equal to 0, this will become 4 minus 4 by t2 minus t1. 2 minus 0. This will give you 4 meter per second. कुछ चमका क्या? कुछ समझे? नहीं समझे? हाँ? What is meaning of x2? What is meaning of x2? x2 means that value of x when time is t2. x1 means that value of x when time is t1. This is an important situation. NCERT has asked one question they have given. They have asked both things. They have asked average speed also, average velocity also. Average velocity also, instantaneous velocity also. So this is how you can calculate average velocity for equation situation. Is it okay? हो जाएगा क्या? Tell me when you write average velocity delta x by delta t, x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1, you tell me what is x2. x2 क्या है? एक बार बताओ. x2 is what value of x? Which value of x is x2? What is x2? जल्दी बताओ. What is x2? What is x2? What is x2? One more time, not possible. What is x2? x2 means that value of x when time is t2. So in the equation you have to put time t2. Whatever the value of x will come, that will be your t. I'll give you one more question. चलो एक और question बनाओ. चलो final question. Now I will just write the question. X is given, position is given as 2t square plus 4. 2t square plus 4. First you have to tell me velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. Second, you have to tell me average velocity from where to where t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. Or I will change from t equal to 1 second to t equal to 3 seconds. Don't do mistake now. Always remember when equation is given, instantaneous is very easy to find. But for average, you have to fight little bit. Instantaneous, everyone has given the answer. Very good, sir. Particular time, t equal to 2 seconds means you are talking about particular time. For particular time, I know, sir, only one method is there. That is method of differentiation. Sir, for particular, find the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. I know particular time. That means instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity means, sir, dx by dt. Once you differentiate, this will give you. This differentiation, I think everyone knows, 4t. Plus 4 differentiation 0. T equal to 2 seconds. Akara t equal to 2 seconds. Petandi 8 meter per second. This is instantaneous. I am interested in average. Sunita has said the average. Okay. Maiti saying both will be 8. Maybe chance is there. No problem. Yeah, chance is there. Both can be 8. No problem. Process you have to follow. Again, see the process. Some people were saying, sir, once again. एक बार last बार देखो. Then I will ask how many of you got this answer. एक बार फिर से देखो, ध्यान दो. Final time. Yeah. Average velocity. Whenever average velocity is asked na, I told you 100 times average velocity x given na, so average velocity will come delta x by delta t. Delta x means x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1. Tell me what is x2? What is value of x2 here? क्या है x2 in this equation? What is x2? And whenever you write x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1, what is x2? What is x2? X2 is that value of x when time is t2. X2 means that value of x when time is t2, and that you can find. What is time t2? T2 is your 3 seconds. So you can calculate x2. X2 means that value of x when time is t2, and that is your 3 seconds. So if you put 3 there, 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yeah. And what is x1? X1 is that value of time when time is 1 second. Put there 1 second. So 2 into 1 is square. 2 plus 4, that is 6. Now put there. You'll get the answer. That will be coming as 22 minus 6 by 3 minus, yeah, T2 is your 3, T1 is 1. So T2 minus T1, that will be giving you 3 minus 1. That will be giving you 16 by 2. That will give you 8 meter per second. Is it okay? समझ गए? If equation is given, how to find average instantaneous velocity both at once? बोल दो एक बार yes or no. Then we'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. More questions we have to do. Come on, do the next question. अगला question बनाओ. Come on, you write. Find the time when acceleration of the particle will become zero. Find the time when acceleration of the particle will become zero. Find the time when acceleration of the particle will become zero. This is also previous year question. Yeah, previous answer was 8, no problem. Find the time when acceleration of the particle will become zero. So first find acceleration, then equate it to zero, you'll get the time. Process is very easy. Kusuma has said the answer. Very good, Kusuma. Seems to be correct. Find the time when acceleration will become zero. So first you have to find acceleration. Then you will equate acceleration to zero to get your time. Sharanya, very good. Ramcharan, once you can see your answer. Anant, very good. Manisha, very good. Pujita, very good. Come on, do fast. Maiti, very good. Shruti, very good. Pujita, very good. Come on. Twarga. Slisha, very good. Kaushik, 2a by 3b. Yeah. Okay, Ramcharan. Now, simple type of questions. This is also very simple. I'll simply say, sir, what they're asking? They're asking us, find the time when acceleration will become zero. So first I will find acceleration. Sir, process. Sir, how to know when acceleration will become zero? For that, I must know the value of acceleration. So first I will calculate acceleration, but I cannot calculate acceleration directly. First, we will calculate velocity. So velocity dx by dt, that will give us 2at minus 3b t square. Then acceleration will come. Once velocity will come, then acceleration will come. So dv by dt, that will come 2a minus 6b into t. Yeah, okay, no problem. A by 3b is coming. You are saying 2a by 3b. 2a by 3b is the time when velocity will become zero. I'm asking you acceleration. So this is acceleration, sir. In the question, they are saying acceleration is zero. So equate this acceleration to zero. From there you will get, this will become, 2a will be equal to 6bt. So from here, t will be coming as a by 3b. Hey Bhagwan, who gave wrong answer? Why you are saying 2a by 3b? Everyone was saying 2a by 3b. क्यों? Why you are saying 2a by 3b? क्या हो गया था? Huh? You equated velocity to zero now. You equated velocity to zero now. Tell me the truth. You equated velocity to zero now. So be careful. If they say find the time when particle will come to rest, or they say find the time when velocity of the particle is zero, then you will get answer 2a by 3b. Everyone understood where you did the mistake? Bol do, then I will give you the next question. Then I will give you the next question. एक बार बता दो. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful, then only answer will come. Otherwise, you can do some mistakes also. Okay, no problem. अरे बोल दो बाबा. No problem. Done, sir. बहुत बढ़िया. Do one more question. Come on. You write. Find initial velocity and initial acceleration. This is the position of the particle given. Find initial velocity and initial acceleration. Find initial velocity and initial acceleration. What is the meaning of initial velocity and initial acceleration? What is the meaning of initial velocity and initial acceleration? What is the meaning of initial? Initial means what? एक बार बता दो. What time initial means? T equal to 0. Initial means not T equal to 1. Initial means T equal to 0. First find velocity, find acceleration, then there put T equal to 0. Always remember, initial means starting, and starting instant we always take. Initial means they are talking at T equal to 0. So I think everyone will get. First find velocity. So they are asking find velocity and find initial velocity and initial acceleration. So first I will calculate velocity. So velocity means dx by dt. If we differentiate, that will come a differentiation 0. This will become b plus 2ct plus 3dt square. We have done differentiation for this day only. Sir, acceleration. Sir, once v came, acceleration will come, sir. dv by dt. एक बार और differentiate कर दो. This will be differentiation 0. This will become 2c plus 6d into t. Now they are asking you initial velocity and initial acceleration. Initial means what? T equal to 0. So put t equal to 0. Here put t 0. You'll get initial velocity. T equal to 0, you'll get initial velocity. Once you put, this will give you b. This will give you b. Again, t equal to initial acceleration, put t equal to 0. Once you put t equal to 0, this will become initial acceleration means t equal to 0. So this will become 2c. Is it okay? Is it okay? बोलो 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 बोलो. हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. एक बार बता दो. एक बार बता दो. कर लोगे. Everyone will be able to do. Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Come on, do the next question. Come on, do the next question. Do the next question. Do the next question. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन बनाओ. We'll move further. Yeah, you right. Find the acceleration. Find the acceleration. Find the acceleration of the particle. Find the acceleration of the particle. Find the acceleration of the particle when it comes to rest. Find acceleration of the particle when it comes to rest. Find acceleration of the particle when it comes to rest. X is given, you can see they're asking you find the acceleration of the particle when it comes to rest. Find acceleration of the particle when it comes to rest. Ramcharan, check your solution. First, you have to check when it will come to rest. Then you have to put it. Everyone is saying answer as 2. I don't know the answer. Question came in my mind, I gave. Yeah. Find the acceleration when particle comes to rest. What is meaning of rest? What is meaning of rest? Particle comes to rest. What is meaning of rest? They are saying you find the acceleration when particle comes to rest. What is meaning of rest? एक बार बताओ. What is meaning of rest? Find the acceleration when particle comes to rest. What is meaning of rest? Rest means velocity will be zero. So here, yeah, not t equal to zero, Baba. Always motion don't start with t equal to zero from rest. Rest means you are at rest means velocity will become zero. ध्यान दो, just see here. Okay, no problem. एक बार देखो. Leave your copy. Don't get confused. थोड़ा brain भी use करो. Rest doesn't means t equal to zero. फालतू बातें मत करो. Don't say like rest doesn't means t equal to zero. Rest means velocity will be zero. Right now at the home you are resting, you are sitting in the sofa. So t equal to, it's not t equal to zero. That means you are at rest. Your velocity is zero. So rest means velocity will be zero. So first calculate the velocity. Sir, in the question they are talking about rest. Rest means velocity zero. They are also talking about acceleration. So first I will find velocity, sir. Velocity dx by dt. That will give us, sir, 2t minus 3t square. No problem. This is the velocity. So in the question they are also talking about acceleration. So first calculate whatever required. Sir, acceleration means dv by dt. Now once you differentiate, this will become 2 and this will become minus 60. This is the velocity, this is the acceleration. Now I will say, sir, in the question they are saying you find the acceleration when particle comes to rest. Rest means velocity will be zero. So first equate the velocity to zero to get the time. Now from here you can do, you can write 3t square will become equal to 2t. T equal to 0 you can, so from here time will be coming as 2 by 3. This is the time when particle came to rest. This is the time when particle came to rest. They are asking you acceleration when particle comes to rest. Acceleration when particle comes to rest. So acceleration when particle comes to rest. When particle comes to rest, t equal to 2 by 3. So put that t here. So this will become 2 minus 6. Time is 2 by 3. So from here this will get cancelled. This will become 2 minus 4. That will give you minus 2 meter per second square. Is it okay? समझे क्या? नहीं समझे? अर्धमेंदा थोड़ा चमका, कुछ समझ में आया? Did you understand little bit? Did you got the idea? बहुत बढ़िया. I am giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Now you have to practice some questions from here. Then you'll be able to do all the question. Nothing to worry. You understood the concept. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We will move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Once completed, you can say done, sir. Now you tell me, come on, I will ask you few points, then we'll move further. You tell me if displacement is given, if x is given, how you will find velocity? If x is given, someone asks you, you tell me, someone asks you instantaneous velocity, how you calculate instantaneous velocity if x is given? Come on, tell me. dx by dt. Sir, with the help of differentiation. Achha, if anyone give you x and ask you acceleration directly, then if someone give you x and ask you acceleration directly, then 2 times you have to differentiate. First you have to differentiate x to get velocity, then you have to differentiate velocity to get acceleration. That's why in many books you'll find acceleration they will write as d square x by dt square. This means double differentiation of x. In books you'll find they will write acceleration like this also. d square x by dt square means you are doing 2 times differentiation. Achha, someone asks you find initial velocity and initial acceleration, then what you will do? For initial velocity, initial acceleration kya karoge? Someone said given question and they ask find initial velocity, initial acceleration, kya karoge? What is meaning of initial velocity, initial acceleration? Bata do. T equal to 0. Initial means starting na. Starting means kya hota hai? Starting of the day when you wake up from your bed, that is starting of the day. What time you consider that? That you consider at t equal to 0. In physics, starting we consider. Achha, if someone says you particle is at rest, Does rest of the particle means t equal to 0? What is meaning of particle at rest? Body comes to rest. What is meaning of rest? V0. Don't say T0. That will become completely wrong. Completely wrong. Is it okay? You tell me, if I differentiate x, what will come? Dx by dt is what? Dx by dt is what? If I differentiate x with respect to time, what will come? Velocity will come. Velocity will come. Velocity will come. If I differentiate velocity with respect to time, what will come? Velocity with respect to time kya aayega? Velocity with respect to time, what will come? Acceleration will come. Acceleration will come. So t equal to 0. The initial means t equal to 0. Initial means t equal to 0. Rest means velocity of the particle will be 0. These are the things that we studied till now. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े क्या? आगे बढ़े क्या? Now ध्यान देना, slightly tough part, थोड़ा ध्यान से, yeah. Okay, no problem, very good, you got the idea. Now slightly tricky part, ध्यान देना. Achha, you tell me, okay, no problem. Now understand, I can tell you directly also, but that will not develop understanding. Achha, you tell me, when we differentiate x, we get velocity. Or if someone says me, sir, if I give you velocity, ध्यान देना, when you differentiate x, you get velocity. You tell me, if I will integrate velocity, what will come? If I integrate velocity, what will come? What will come? When you differentiate x, you get velocity now. So when you integrate velocity, what will come? X will come. Displacement will come. So always remember, when you differentiate displacement, you get velocity. So when you integrate velocity, you will get displacement. Now I'll talk about 1-2 question from integration. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा, you tell me. Next situation. One more situation. Yeah. अच्छा, when I differentiate velocity, I get acceleration now. So if I integrate acceleration, what will come? If I integrate acceleration, what will come? When I differentiate velocity, I get acceleration. So when I integrate acceleration, what will come? Velocity will come. Actually, change in velocity will come. Change in velocity, or we can say velocity also, no problem. So everyone has got the idea. I will give you one question. You try to find out. You write? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yeah, you can write. हाँ, you write. A particle is found to have velocity. A particle is found to have velocity v equal to 4t. A particle is found to have velocity v equal to 4t. Find its displacement during first 2 seconds. 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 More common answer coming 8. Some people are saying 4 also. First 2 seconds means 0 to 2 seconds. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Everyone is getting the answer. Okay, no problem. Yeah. हाँ. ध्यान देना. Okay, no problem. You got the answer. 4, 8, whatever you got. एक बार ध्यान दो. Always remember, many times in physics now, if you don't follow the process, you may get wrong answer. ध्यान देना, be focused. I will tell you entire steps. एक बार देखो entire steps, because many times many things can be hidden in the question. So that's why I'm saying follow the step which I am doing. So they have given v equal to 4t. See the entire process. Understand the process. They have given. They're saying a particle has velocity v equal to 4t. You want displacement now. So write velocity as ds by dt. Follow the steps like this, then only you'll get correct answer. Otherwise, sometimes you may do mistake also. So velocity they are given, they're asking displacement. I know sir, velocity is ds by dt. Then do the cross multiplication. ds will become 4t dt. Then integrate both sides. Directly don't put the integration. Follow the steps, because many times limits will be there which may make you do mistake. Now, first 2 seconds means t equal to 0. Starting, you see, right side is the integration of time, left side is the integration of s. So right side starting will be from t equal to 0. And at that time, what is displacement? 0. Now, sir, final time, 2 seconds. What is final displacement? S. Now, from here, things will start. You can do directly also, but sometimes you may feel problem. That's why entire steps are important. Now, from here, I will simply say, sir, left side will become, if you integrate ds, I told you dx integration is x. So, ds integration will be s. From where to where? 0 to s. Here you can integrate. 4t integration will give you 4t square by 2. How to integrate? Already told. From 0 to 2. How to put limit? Already told. Now this will become, once we'll put upper limit s, once we'll put lower limit 0 minus, and this will become 2t square. I said you 2 you can take out. This will become t square. From where to where? 0 to 2. So you can put the upper limit. This will become s minus 0 is s. This will become, if you put the upper limit, this will become 4. 4 into 2, this will give you 8, because lower limit is 0. Is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? I can also do directly only, no problem. But I told you the entire steps. Is it okay? समझ में आया? एक बार बोल दो yes or no. You have never do directly, because sometimes this lower limit which you are seeing now may be changed. That's why I did entire steps. I'll give you one more question. चलो एक और question बनाओ. चलो, no problem, nothing to worry. Yeah, do one more question. एक और question बनाओ. चलो. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. कोई problem नहीं है. Nothing to worry. Yeah. You tell me, if I give you velocity and ask you displacement, what you will do? If velocity is given, displacement is asked, क्या करोगे? Velocity given, displacement asked. क्या करोगे? Integrate. Sir, when you differentiate, very easy. Sir, when we differentiate displacement, velocity comes. So I know, sir, differentiation, integration, both are reverse process of each other. So when you differentiate displacement, velocity comes. So when you integrate velocity, displacement will come. But follow steps like that. Otherwise, sometimes you may do mistake. I'll give you one question, previous year NEET question. You write. A particle has initial velocity u naught. Previous year NEET question. A particle has initial velocity u naught. A particle has initial velocity u naught and acceleration a equal to bt. A particle has initial velocity u naught and acceleration a equal to bt. Slightly tough question. And acceleration a equal to bt. Find its final velocity after any time t. 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 If you are able to do this question, means you became perfect in problem based on differentiation and integration. You will not feel any trouble when question will come in the NEET. Durga Prasad, you have written some answer, but that's not completely correct. That is the magic of limits. Durga Prasad, that is partially correct. क्या हो गया भाई? No one give an answer till now. I'm waiting for the answer. I will change the color. This color you are finding tough. Ramcharan has given some answer, but how cube came? Chalo, everyone leave your copy. Everyone leave your copy and see this question again by yourself in the study hour. Please. Please, थोड़ा ध्यान दो. Otherwise, I have seen a student in the main class also I teach, in the revision also I tell, in the NEET also, everywhere they struggle. So एक बार ध्यान देना, please. Please एक बार ध्यान देना. Leave your copy. Leave your copy. Drop your pen. Learn how to put the limit. How to use the limit. ध्यान देना. Just see here. See the process. What is given? Tell me. Yeah. Now Saranya said correct. Very good. Yeah. So tell me what is given in the question. What is given in the question? Acceleration given, velocity asked. You tell me how you'll calculate velocity if acceleration is given. Ramcharan, you cannot use equation of motion. That is the point. Equation of motion work only when acceleration is constant. This is not, yeah, this is a good question he asked. We will talk about it. Yeah, integration. So see the process. Sir, acceleration given, velocity asked. I know this acceleration, sir. Acceleration will be dv by dt. Do like this, ऐसे करो तभी सही होगा, otherwise you'll do mistake. Somewhere mistake will happen. Sir, acceleration given, sir, acceleration I know dv by dt, so acceleration will be equal to bt, sir. Acceleration means dv by dt. Now do the cross multiplication. Same thing I did. So dv will become, send that side, bt dt, no problem. Cross multiplication tarvata, cross multiplication tarvata, put integration. T equal to 0 during any time t. Any time t means we have to start from 0 at any time t. T equal to 0. T equal to 0. What is initial velocity here? If here time is 0, what is initial velocity here? Come on. Simultaneously you have to put the limits. Here time 0. When time is 0, what is initial velocity? When time is any time t is 0 to t, you have to. What is initial? Given u naught, not 0, Baba. Both will not be 0. T equal to 0. Initial velocity is u naught. Here you are. This is what I was saying. Here you are integrating time. Here you are integrating velocity. So simultaneously, here time 0, velocity u naught. Here at any time t, final velocity will be v. This v we have to calculate. Find final velocity after any time t. T0 velocity u naught. T final velocity v. Now you have to put the limits. Now you have to integrate and put the limits. If you do the integration, this will become dv integration will become v. From where to where, sir? U naught to v. And this will become, sir, bt integration will become bt square by 2. From where to where, sir? 0 to t. Mind, see the integration limits. This is the most important part. This is what I was trying to tell. So from here, this will become, if you put upper limit, this is v. If you put lower limit, this is u naught. Subtract them. If you put upper limit, bt square by 2. Lower limit will give you 0. So no need to put. So final velocity at any time t will come u naught plus bt square by 2. Is it okay? अब कुछ समझ में आया? अब कुछ समझ में आया? Many of you were giving this only as answer. That was wrong. That was wrong. That was wrong. Limits. Limits का magic. This is known as magic of limits. Same simultaneously both side. यहाँ time 0, तो यहाँ velocity u naught. यहाँ time t, so यहाँ velocity v. Once you cannot put one limit this side only. No. Simultaneously. यहाँ put किया, यहाँ भी करो. यहाँ put किया, यहाँ भी करो. Is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? समझ में आया क्या? बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, very good. Yeah. Achha, someone asked me in between, sir, can I use equation of motion v equal to u plus at? Can I use first equation of motion? Can I use equation of motion in this case? Can I use equation of motion in this case? Bolo, can I use equation of motion? Always remember, equation of motions are applicable only when acceleration is constant, uniform acceleration. Here acceleration is variable. We cannot use equation. Don't start using, sir, initial velocity given, final velocity given, so I'll use v equal to u plus at. Don't do blunder. This equation work only when acceleration is constant. Here acceleration is not constant. Acceleration is depending on time. You cannot use it. Only one way is there, that is integration. Here we cannot use, because this will work here in this situation, we cannot use equation of motion. Is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? हाँ, then we'll talk about it. No problem. Yeah. बोल दो एक बार. Acha, you tell me. Acha, do you know how many equation of motion we have? How many equation of motion we have? I think everyone knows. So we will start with equation of motion. You can write equation of motion. We'll just, this weekend, we just need to know. Numericals will not come. Nothing will come from equation of motion. Just we have to talk about how many equation of motion we have. That's it. 4 are there. I will write first equation of motion. So we'll write equation of motion. This week, no question will come from here. Only we need to know these equations. First equation, I think everyone knows. V equal to U plus AT. Second equation, S equal to UT plus half AT square. इतना तो सीख ही लिए होगे. Class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. इतना तो आ गया होगा. V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square. Third equation, v square minus u square equal to 2as. Fourth equation, snth equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. And always remember, these equations are only applicable. Only applicable. Tell me what is the condition. Only applicable. एक बार बताओ. Only applicable. Only applicable. In which situation they are only applicable? Only applicable for batao, only applicable for acceleration constant. If acceleration is constant, then only you can apply this equation. Otherwise, you will not apply. And always remember, in physics, word constant also means uniform. So these equations will be only applicable when acceleration is constant or someone says it is uniform. Otherwise, you cannot apply. Otherwise, impossible. You'll apply, you'll get wrong answer. Instead of getting +4, you'll get -1 in the NEET. Is it okay? बोल दो एक बार. Not uniform motion. Uniform motion means acceleration 0. There is a difference between uniform motion, uniform acceleration. Uniform motion means velocity constant, acceleration 0. Uniform acceleration means acceleration constant. Acha, you tell me, second equation, fourth equation, both are talking about SS. What is difference between them? What is difference? Second equation is also saying S. Fourth equation is also saying S. What is difference between them? What is difference between them? Yeah. Always remember, this is for total time t. If anyone asks you, find the distance traveled by the particle during 10 seconds, during 5 seconds, during 20 seconds. This is for total time. Total time. And this is for particular second. Find the distance. Snth means distance during nth second. Nth second means particular second. This fourth equation is telling you for particular second. Particular second. For example, if anyone asks you, find the distance during 3rd second, 4th second, 5th second, you'll use fourth equation. If anyone asks you, find the distance traveled from 0 to 4 second, or 0 to 3 second, or 0 to 5 second, then you'll use second equation. Is it okay? Don't worry about them. Again, we will restart this situation in the next class. Is it okay? Khatam kare? Achha, what is U there? I think everyone knows now. U is initial velocity, V is final velocity, A is acceleration, T is time, S is displacement. Everyone knows now. इतना तो सीख गए होगे ना? Yeah, so we will do numericals from here in our next class. For today, we'll be ending our class here only because we got little less time. Pandey sir left little late. But questions will not come from here in the weekend exam. Syllabus will be sent. Syllabus will be sent to you. Syllabus will be sent. And I will try to send some question also from the gym for practicing. Because practicing is very important. Everyone has to realize their responsibility and they have to practice also. So this is how we have talked about. More situation from here we'll be talking in the next class. But today we'll be ending class here only. Okay, tata, bye bye. Take care. पूरा मन से पढ़ाई करो. Put the best effort of your entire life. Your doctor tag is waiting just 10 months from here. 10 months, mottam hard work petandi. Finally, you will come out as a doctor. As a doctor. So start working. Don't wait for anything. Do your best hard work. Thagge dele. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Bye.